Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Hickson 44 in Leo. So what do we see here? Well, here we see what is known as a compact group of galaxies, and there are more than 100 of these that were identified by the astronomer Paul Hickson and his co-workers. And they are small groups of relatively bright galaxies that are close together. And in this case, there are 4 galaxies, 3 condensed together near the center of the image, and 1 a little further down to the lower right. 3 of these are spiral galaxies, and we have the 2 at the center, which show some signs of distortion, including the S-shaped galaxy, which is the one slightly to the upper right-hand side, and the one with the distinct dust lanes in the center. Now, both of these are signs of gravitational interactions, and likely in these compact groups, because you have galaxies relatively close together, they will interact and eventually merge together. So we are seeing some of the stages of galactic evolution. Galaxies change through collisions with one another and through combining together with smaller galaxies merging with larger galaxies, and sometimes even larger galaxies colliding together and merging into one even bigger galaxy. And that is how galaxies have grown over time, from very small galaxies that we saw early in the history of the universe to the very large galaxies that we see around us in the modern universe. Now, the signs of interaction are not only that the galaxies are a bit distorted, that is a gravitational interaction, but it also affects the star clouds and the dust clouds within the galaxy and enhances the star formation rate. So galaxies that are interacting will be forming stars at a faster rate than galaxies that are not interacting. And we can see that by the excess blue color, the blue color of stars that have recently formed. Newly formed stars, the largest and most massive and brightest of those, will appear blue, giving galaxies which have star formation a bluish tinge to them. And we can see that in both of those 2 spiral galaxies, maybe a little bluer than normally you might expect. Now, the merger process occurs pretty much in all galaxies, including our own Milky Way, which does disrupt and consume small satellite galaxies, and also is on a collision course in another 4 or 5 billion years or so with the Andromeda galaxy. So it is quite possible that our galaxy and Andromeda will merge in the distant future, billions of years from now, forming one much larger galaxy. So here we see one example of a compact group of galaxies, likely a precursor to beginning to merge together into even larger galaxies. So that was our picture of the day, titled Hickson 44 in Leo. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be reaching extreme altitudes. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.